sa church and everything.
Uy, ang dami na pala nakatira.
Yeah.
Saan banda?
Dito siya. Ito yung mga condo. Iba yung taas, iba yung baba.
So, pwede ka magtanim sa labas?
Yeah, may sarili kang front yard. Tsaka may garage din sa likod. So, parang okay na din.
Okay na din. Parang, tingnan natin kung ano. May ano ba sila? Showroom? Nag-ano tayo?
Ito siya. Diyan siya sa red. Sa baba. Siya yung baba.
Uy, may ano.
So, tapos sa likod. Actually, that's his truck.
Saan?
Yung the gray one. Malaki din yung space. Ang cute na. Mas mahal ba pag I mean, standard na kasi ang good this one. Look at doon siya. Yung doon, yung pinunta natin. Everything is like this.
Sige.
Ang gaganda. Mas modern siya. Bago talaga.
Parang na.
Hindi meron. Dami. Pero one ano. Kung God we ask. Talaga. Gaganda rin. Carnival pala.
Ano tawag yan eh? Compose ng kanta.
Dito lang palang hospital
Parang hospital ng mga ano yan eh. Baliw.
Grabe.
Parang,
Or parang park lang. I become a mermaid? Oh. No idea. Actually, daycare is a really good idea. Retargeting.
Sorts of tidbits had me at the edge of my seat, and I began researching things I had never even heard of, and I am now completely shaken. So yeah, I showed you guys that video of the Israelis who were celebrating. It turned out that they had connections to the Israeli intelligence apparatus, and the FBI pretty much just let him go for whatever reason. Said, okay, we looked into it, no further follow-up. Then that sort of got memory hold. Memory hold is an expression where they basically never talk about it again, and then we all just forget that it ever happened. We move on. Well, one is cooperating with Israeli and American law enforcement, including the FBI, in trying to find the
I have to do to change my ano sa major as a change major ano mag-submit kasi may sinabi siyang ano ito din.
Not even in the media. The media just had information that an attack was about to take place on American soil, and rather than
Hi! Kita! Pagtawid mo pa lang. Sabi? Ano para sa tingin mo? Tingin tayo dahil. Number 61. Lukat mo, 399. O yan, kari ka. Nakita ko, 399. Hanapin ko. Dati pa. Dahil gusto mo yung rice ano? Yung rice na ginawa ni ano? Oh, dito yun. Wait lang. Ayun.
That's what I wanna make because it's so
Uy, mahal. Ah, 290. Oh, go grab one. 299, oo. Kaya, tapos ibalot siya. Ako. Ay, ba't ko ba ilagay yung tinap? Sayang, dala ko sanang card ko. See.
Your birthdays are next week.
Bango ng barbecue na. Dako kaglubot na eh.
We're coming. Popular day.
Then Jesus' blood and righteousness.
Makamlaude. Makamlaude. Makulit ni Pastor Samuel.
Hello.